Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gadget Strip Down, and today we have an iPhone 5. So without further ado, let's get started.
The story behind this phone is that it was my first ever iPhone, and it's time to say goodbye. Now, let's get started with opening the phone. And first, we have to open the bottom two star shaped screws in an iPhone to get the display off. So, finally, there it is, the battery and the logic board. So now there comes out the 1440 milliamp hour 5-year-old iPhone 5 battery. So now let's get started by opening the display of the phone, and there on the top we have a few components, and on the bottom we have the home button. The iconic home button, which is no more present on the current iPhone, has come off, and it still works pretty well even after coming off. And I finally managed to get the 6 layers of the display out. So now I have the 6 layers of the display, which I had explained in the previous video.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Peace out.